Modern information systems are more and more complex and composed of hundreds of applications used by multiple types of people. So when it comes to protecting access to applications by user type, things get even worse, because each application is protected by several identity solutions, and you must create thousands, if not millions of accounts in each application. Result: there are a multitude of accesses to authenticate, a multitude of passwords to remember, a plethora of different interfaces to manage, and a lot of time, energy, and money spent for little performance. Are you familiar with this situation? Then discover Memority. Memority is the all-in-one platform created to secure and simplify access to your information system, regardless the type of identity. Memority manages the lifecycle of digital entities, updates in real time the accounts and access rights across your whole information system, and allows your users to access their applications in a secure way, thanks to a unique authentication and without password. It's simple. Everyone has one identity and logs in one click. And whatever the size of your company, Memority adapts to provide customized solutions that accelerate your business. And, good to know, Memority is a secure and sovereign European platform, developed, operated and hosted in France and Europe. Security is taken into account by design, from conception to run and supervise 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So let's go. Memority, the identity factory that accelerates your business.